Most people come to the Grand Bazaar for one thing, shopping. They walk in, get overwhelmed by 4,000 shops, buy a souvenir and leave, without even realizing what this place is actually hiding. Because the Grand Bazaar is not just a market, it's a 560-year-old labyrinth full of secrets that most visitors, and honestly, even most locals, never get to see. Rooftop views over those famous red tile ceilings, hidden hands tucked behind unmarked doors, tiny workshops where craftsmen have been working the same trade for generations. So today I'm taking you beyond the main streets to show you the Grand Bazaar that almost nobody experiences. So if you're ready, let's go. So now we are finally here in the Grand Bazaar, and we are going to show you that the Grand Bazaar is not only for shopping. In fact, even if you don't want to really shop, this single place is very interesting because there are many hidden gems that even tourists don't even know about. So this is what we are going to show you in this video today. And well, this is one of the largest covered bazaars in the world. It has around 4,000 shops, 66 streets, and roughly 22 entrances. At the moment, we are at the gate number 1, which is the main entrance of the Grand Bazaar. And well, we will be showing you a little bit more. And there is also something saying that when you visit the Grand Bazaar, if you don't get lost at all, that means that you didn't even explore it properly. You didn't even visit it. So make sure just to go through every single street that you see. Don't be scared of getting lost. Actually, that's the best way of probably discovering a unique and beautiful place. As you can see, now we are at one real hidden gem, which is just in the heart of the Grand Bazaar. And this is a very local coffee shop. And as you can see, just right behind me, we have stunning views of the Grand Bazaar from the top. So basically, you can be enjoying some tea, some Turkish coffee, or even refresh with some water. And you can also enjoy these views. So we have in one of the parts, we have views from the Bosphorus, from one of the bridges, and also we have Nur Osmaniye Mosque, and of course the ceiling of the Grand Bazaar. And then on the other side, we also have the University of Istanbul, Beyazıt Tower, and many other and also Beyazıt Mosque, which you have many sites just around here. And another plus for this place is that actually the prices that they have in this place are local prices. So don't be afraid to visit this cafeteria because maybe you will say, oh, it's inside the Grand Bazaar, it will be so expensive. It is not like that. Actually, we purchased water and one soda and we paid only 80 liras. My water was 40 liras, which is the same price that I can find them outside around my house. So don't be scared about that. Come visit this place.
Şamana nasıl kolay geliyor?
So if some of you were wondering if there are specific sections inside the Grand Bazaar where you can buy very particular items, and if you are, for example, into antique items, inside the Grand Bazaar, there is a very interesting place where you can do that, and you can find very nice shops like the one that I just showed you. That one has many things, and I really like that shop. So in this section, you can find everything related to antique items. Now, if you are here around the Grand Bazaar and if you are able to reach this area, don't get scared if all of a sudden you start listening people shouting. Not just people, actually men shouting. They might sound very angry or like they are just hiding, but don't think about that. Actually, they are doing business. And in this area, it is very common that, for example, they are like the middlemen. And what they do is that they are always on the phone because they are, for example, they have clients who have maybe, let's say, $100,000, for example, and they're trying to find who is giving the best rate to exchange that money. So that's the main reason why they are shouting and they are on the phones and they all gather around this area of the Grand Bazaar. So this is something very interesting, very unique to see what is going on. To be honest, throughout all these years of living here in Istanbul, this is the very first time I heard about that and I experienced it. I didn't know about this, but of course our amazing guide is the one who is teaching me all of these little hidden gems and stories of the Grand Bazaar. Now, if watching this made you want to explore the Grand Bazaar like a real local, to go beyond the shopping and dive into its real soul, that's exactly what we do. You can book a private tour with us at remindertour.com, where we'll take you through these and many other incredible spots around Istanbul and Turkey. We specialize in private tours, and over the last 3 years we have hosted thousands of amazing guests from all over the world. People who got to experience this city and this country like a true local. Our circuits cover everything from the most iconic highlights to hidden gems like the ones you just saw, the kind you won't find in any guidebook. And if you're a foodie, we also offer food tours where you'll taste the absolute best flavors Istanbul has to offer. And if you would like, you can even do that tour with me. To get in touch, just send us an email or a WhatsApp message. All the details are in the description box and pinned comment, and our team will get back to you right away with all the information and quote. There's traffic.
Yes.
Yes, right? A lot of traffic.
This is small.
Very small streets.
Yes. Grand Bazaar.
Let's go. Thank you. Please. This is very narrow. Now, in this hand, there's a secret, and to reach it, we have to squeeze up these stairs. Look how narrow this is. I can barely fit my shoulders through here. Every time I think I know the Grand Bazaar, it hides another door, another staircase, another secret behind the walls. Okay, are you ready for this? Is it here? Wow, just look at this view. This is our second viewpoint. From up here, we get a completely different angle of the Nur Osmaniye Mosque and look down, the entire Han from above. I honestly cannot believe that these tiny stairs and little doors keep leading us to views like this. This is exactly why I say the Grand Bazaar isn't just for shopping, it's for explorers.
You know the cigar, the Cuban cigar?
Yes.
Look, he will make it like that, and it will be the place that where you put your cigar.
Okay.
He will be handmade.
Burada bunu büyüktür, yavaş yavaş azalacaktır. Azaldığı zaman da buradan takacak, buradan içecek.
And look at this. Right below us, there is a tiny workshop, an atelier. The owner here creates unique, handmade decoration pieces that end up in restaurants and businesses all around the city. And get this, he's been in this exact spot for 10 years, but he's been doing this craft for 50 years, half a century, right here in this same Han.
Bunu özel mi yapıyorsun abi bir müşterine?
Tabii güzel.
He does private for someone else.
Okay. This whole area, by the way, is known for silver. If you're looking for silver items in Istanbul, this is the place inside the Grand Bazaar. Oh, and one more tip. Don't be surprised if a shopkeeper invites you in for a quick chit-chat and a Turkish coffee. Say yes, Believe it or not, these conversations are one of the best parts of the bazaar. Many of these sellers have been here for decades. Their stories will teach you more about this place than any guidebook. And who knows, some of them might even share hints about hidden spots inside the bazaar that most visitors never visit. No, I just record for fun.
Great.
And this is one of another beautiful place that you can find inside the Grand Bazaar. In fact, I have shown in different other videos in the past, around 4 or 5 years ago, here on my channel, this beautiful place. And this is Zincirli Han. And as you can see, it's quite photogenic. Especially if you come during the summer months, you will be able to see this beautiful giant tree that is fully bloomed. So all the photos and the videos look even more beautiful. And of course, while we are in the Grand Bazaar, we got very hungry. So we are going to try a very nice place for doner. And this one was recommended by our guide. And this one is Gülebru Canteen. It is just located outside of Zincirli Han. So this one is very delicious. Also, many locals come here. So it is a recommended place. The doner is really good. I am so hungry. So we are finishing our day with, of course, a dessert, something sweet. After that delicious doner, we need something sweet. And for that, my guide has brought me to one very special place, very local, that I had never heard of in my life. And here they only sell the famous dessert, which is called kadayıf. And also they put one bowl of ice cream on top. So this place is a real hidden gem. I didn't see any foreigner, any tourists. They were all locals, and it was pretty crowded, as you can see from the images. So a lot of people were buying, and they are eating here in the garden of the mosque. So that is something unique. I'm eager to try it out. O daha önce geldi.
I work there.
Ah, you work here. Okay, perfect then. 2 kadayıf, 2 dondurma lütfen.
Şöyle yeterli mi?
Burada yeterli.
Evet, yeterli.
Götüreceğim.
Evet, götüreceğim abi.
Dondurma sade yapıyorum.
Evet, bana birer top olsun. Burada yiyeceğiz.
Evet.
Afiyet
Teşekkür
olsun.
ederim. Teşekkür ederim. İyi günler. We got them here. This is really good. You? Yeah. How is it, Zainab? Is it so good, right? And let me tell you that when it comes to the prices, actually the prices are good, because kadayıf is not a very affordable dessert in general. Like even in very local areas of the city, you cannot find it for this cheap price, like 200 liras. So for this portion with the ice cream and the kadayıf, it was 200 liras per plate. So 400 liras in total, and I think the price is excellent. You need to come try it out. Let me know in comments below which of these spots surprised you the most. And if you have found your own secret corner of the Grand Bazaar, share it below. I might even feature it in a next video. And that's the Grand Bazaar most people walk right past without ever noticing. Next time you are there, look up, take a wrong turn on purpose and push open a few of those old doors, because the best part of this place aren't on the main streets, they are hiding just behind them. If you enjoyed this video and discovered something new today, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and subscribe if you want to keep exploring Istanbul and Turkey beyond the guidebooks, because I've got a lot of more hidden spots to show you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!